Public in YouTube. Local.
Good morning, friends. We'll wait for a little more time for our other colleagues from the media to join us. Afternoon. You can view the agenda and the flow of today's conference on the chat, and we will be sharing the press kit to you through your mailboxes. Just allow us some more time. We're just waiting for some of our colleagues to join us.
स्टार्ट कर।
Okay. Acha, so quick thing is I have joined Mahindra Electric as a corporate communications person.
Running out. There's no question.
Good afternoon. We'll just wait for a few more minutes for colleagues to join us. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Priyanka, and I'm your host for the interaction today. A warm welcome to our friends from media, select channel partners, colleagues from Alpine and Lumax, and all those who are connected with us through various different social media platforms. Product launches and press conferences were opportunities to interact in person, but time demands adaptation to the new normal. So here we are, all excited to present before you a landmark alliance that will change the in-car infotainment experience forever. Let me introduce you to the dignitaries from Lumax and Alpine, beginning with Mr. Vineet Sahani, Group CEO, Lumax-DK Jain Group. Mr. Mizuki Kanai, he represents Alps Alpine Asia as Senior Manager in charge of the ASEAN region. Mr. Sanjay Bhagat, Senior Executive Vice President at Lumax Auto Technologies, he heads the aftermarket division. Mr. Amit Makhija, he's the Assistant Vice President, Marketing and Business Development for the aftermarket division. And Mr. Vishal Raghav, who's the Assistant Manager, Alpine Asia Pacific India Operations, managing the marketing operations here. A couple of things that I'd like to share with you before we begin. You can share your questions at the end of the conference on chat, or you could raise your hand digitally once the floor is open for Q&As. May I now request Mr. Vineet Sahani, the Group CEO, Lumax-DK Jain Group, to address all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Good afternoon to all of you. A very warm welcome to our friends from media. Thank you so much for taking out time for this conference. I would also like to welcome our premium dealers from Chennai, Mumbai, and Hyderabad who are here with us. Thank you so much for joining with us, and we bank a lot on you in this alliance. Thanks to our partner Alpine, Kanai-san, who is joining from Thailand, Vishal-san, who is sitting next to me, who are going to support us in our penetration in India market. Thanks to the general public, because this conference is open on YouTube. I would like to thank people who are joining in there. And also I would like to extend my thanks to the Lumax team, who is taking this initiative, which is very much required for our market in India. So with this welcome, I would like to say that I'm very, very happy to announce our alliance with Alpine. And this is the alliance which we were waiting for since long. Lumax and Alpine are connected in our relationship for last more than 5 years. And this relationship has finally culminated into a very sound alliance for Indian market. As you are aware, India market is going through a sea change in infotainment system. Most of the young population is wanting to have higher sound quality, premium music systems, and premium infotainment systems. And this solution to this demand is brought by Alpine Lumax. Alpine has the world's finest technology. They have done lots of research in the infotainment systems to bring the technological products in India. And Lumax has the depth of penetration in Indian market. We have more than 300 distributors that we have the relationship. 35 distributors would be focusing on Alpine Lumax products, and these products will change the dimension of infotainment industry in India. We will be providing state-of-the-art experience to the consumer when they fit the system of Alpine in the market. And this will be a game changer. And we will work hand in hand with our partners, our dealers, and our technology partner to bring the finest products in the country. So with this, I would like to take this conference forward, thanking you again for your time for this particular meeting. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insights and the ethos of the alliance with the Alpine Group. We would now like to introduce you to the organization Alpine, presenting their corporate AV.
The company was founded in 1967 as Alps Motorola. The Alpine brand was introduced in 1978. For drivers around the world, Alpine creates new enjoyment and excitement they've never felt before. We're proud of our history of offering many world's first products that people have come to love. Pursuing constant innovation in every category of car electronics. Our drive to usher in the next era will never change. Alpine, pursuing innovation in all things automotive. As a mobile media innovation company, we strive to enhance our 5 excellences and bring the future to all customers worldwide. Engineering excellence. Alpine's business is divided into 5 categories that we call AVNCD. The first is audio. Our goal is music reproduction that sounds completely natural. We check everything that can influence the sound, then create the best possible sound tuning for each car model. Compact, power-saving products are the result of technological innovations. Visual. A development phase that includes even the console panel helps achieve a larger display size. Full integration of design and functionality allows a large screen size suited to the specific car model. And advanced mechatronics technology helps deal with the many different constraints of vehicle-mounted systems. Navigation. Built upon a solid base of experience, a proven track record, and road testing around the world, we continue to refine our navigation systems with new functions and more accurate technology. Ultra-high precision navigation dramatically reduces measurement error to within a few centimeters. One of many innovations on the path to automated operation. Communications and cloud service. In partnership with Alps Electric, we have developed a network module to handle mobile phones and communication within the vehicle. And looking to the cloud, Alpine has already launched its own service. Utilizing driving data to analyze the current situation in real time, it shares the latest information via the cloud. Accurately providing drivers with information as they drive. The system takes advantage of location-based service technology. With a base of operations in Silicon Valley, where all the latest technologies converge, we are in a position to quickly accommodate the newest platforms. Drive assist and cockpit display. Enhancing safety, this advanced technology uses top-view multi-cameras and sensing cameras to examine information about the vehicle's surroundings and even helps to control the vehicle. We're continually advancing our drive assist technology, which is essential to the future of autonomous driving. For cockpit displays, we're pursuing technological innovation in the user vehicle interface in order to provide a comfortable and safe drive environment during autonomous driving. Our head-up displays continue to evolve. They now provide various information on a large display and include augmented reality technology. By combining our 5 business domains in new ways, Alpine strives to create new value. Manufacturing excellence. Combining a spirit of craftsmanship with advanced production equipment, Our goal is always to provide maximum product quality. Our main global plant is located in Iwaki, Japan. There, in addition to state-of-the-art facilities, we have introduced a unique verification system. We provide very thorough employee training and education. These verification and training methodologies are also being used for our overseas factories. Integrated production from parts processing to completion. Active utilization of automatic production. A high accuracy, stress-free process. Thorough efficiency thanks to traceability-focused production management. Remote support from Japan for urgent requests from our overseas customers. A measurement environment that's on time and highly accurate. Raising productivity while continuing to pursue the highest in quality. The expertise of our Japan plant is tailored to suit each region to ensure optimal productivity. Marketing excellence. To ensure that Alpine products meet customers' expectations, we exhibit in automotive shows around the world and hold technology exhibitions. By focusing on each customer's unique car life and understanding their vehicle's needs, we can deliver greater value and better products than ever before. We are preparing the launch of our unique and original Alpine Premium. Service excellence. When a problem occurs in the market, we upload all logs related to the environment at that time and details of its history to the cloud system, allowing swift response to similar cases in the future. In an emergency, a service person will rush to your location, analyze your vehicle on the spot, and resolve the situation. The thoroughness of these databases and the various evaluation and verification procedures leads to improved quality in the products that follow. We hope that this will be a service customers can enjoy with confidence at any time, anywhere in the world. Partner excellence. To continue to be a first-rate partner with the world's best automobile manufacturers and drivers, Alpine will continue to provide high-quality products. To ensure the advanced reliability that in-car products demand, we must grasp the needs of customers in the aftermarket. To make driving more pleasant, we give form to the ideas of our partners. Our SMD system responds flexibly to the global expansion of automobile manufacturers. In addition to our global headquarters in Japan, we have established Research of America in our United States headquarters in California. Alpine's headquarters for Europe is in Munich. And in Stuttgart, we set up Alpine Electronics Research of Europe to meet a wide variety of needs. We have a large development base in Dalian, China. And we're involved in a joint venture with Newsoft, China's largest software firm. Taking the initiative in China, the world's largest market, we're aiming to provide total solutions for the next automotive generation, with advances like EV, ADAS, and cloud for car sharing. Around our central headquarters axis, we're expanding our sales offices worldwide and promoting efficiency by creating production bases in each region. Anticipating their needs, we're placing our development centers near our customers. As a mobile media innovation company, creating next-generation products for drivers everywhere, Alpine offers a premium quality driving experience, providing support, enjoyment, and entertainment that exceeds customer expectations.
Wow, that was surely exhilarating and informative, AV. Without further ado, I would like to call upon Mr. Sanjay Bhagat and Mr. Mizuki Kanai to present before us the world-class Alpine range of products. Mr. Kanai joins us from Thailand. Over to you, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We just saw the Alpine corporate video. So Alpine has now decided to partner with Lumax in India. As explained earlier, we have a very extensive dealer network in Indian market, and both of us are now decided to partner with each other to upgrade the Indian car infotainment market. So I'm very happy to now share with you what are the new products which we are going to launch in the market. Alpine stands for innovation and mobility, and these are some of the new products which we are going to launch. So this is on the slide you can see this is a typical product portfolio for any car infotainment system. Starting from the high-rise head units, the DSPs. DSPs are basically digital sound processors, amplifiers, speakers, subwoofers, rear monitors, and display audio systems. So this is a complete range today in the Indian market. Only Alpine is one company which has a complete range of these product portfolio. And we are very happy to share with you that we are now aggressively going to launch these products along with our customers. So I'm happy to present the first launch of display audio, which is basically 11-inch display audio system. So this one is 11-inch display audio system, which is the world's first largest screen audio system. So this will give us a very, very competitive edge in the market because the customer will get availability of this product for the first time. We have launched it 2 months back and we are getting excellent response from the market. Now these display audios have a floating screen. So these floating screen gives us a lot of customization to the customer. So these screens can be adjusted in 6 different positions, which gives the customer more comfort in navigation and also visibility of the screen. Along with 11-inch head unit, we have also launched 9-inch display unit, which is also completing this range for Alpine for us in this segment. So both these products, along with 7-inch. 7-inch is an in-dash head unit, which can go into your dashboard. This is also a very, very good quality product, which is getting good response from our customers. So 7-inch, 9-inch, and 11-inch, these are 3 display audio units which we have launched. So, Kanai, would you like to say about these head units?
Okay, so I will explain the Alpine strength of the head unit. Actually, the Alpine strength is a total sound brand in the market, but DA also one of this system, and so we can do detailed tuning by sound tuning function, and also sound expansion connecting to the DSP and amplifier and the subwoofer by 3 preamp. Our all display audio has this function, and also Alpine headquarters Soundmaster is doing the final sound tuning, and also in Alpine criteria, we are choosing the sound quality related parts like a chip something. But these are the Alpine display audio strong point. We can bring the true sound experience to the customer.
Thank you.
And also, this is a smartphone connectivity. Currently, the customer trend is they want to use a smartphone even in car because customers are very familiar with using smartphone. So we are prepared like a smartphone connection value to this head unit. Firstly, the current global standard, CarPlay and Android Auto, corresponded to it. So customer can do also, customer can do the music playback and the navigation using this CarPlay and Android Auto. And also this connection can do just like a smartphone application streaming directly connection to the display audio directly. Also, this head unit has like a Bluetooth, built-in Bluetooth, so can connect to the smartphone directly to the from the smartphone and the display audio. And also, this display audio has the AV in, so customer can connect the smartphone directly, and also some media box can connect to this display audio. Hi.
So the next range of product which we are launching is the high-res head units. These are high premium quality small head units, UTX M08 and UTX A09. So this is basically meant for those customers who do not want their original head units to be touched. So these are the additional products which can be fitted along with the original head unit of the car. So these are very well accepted in the market because of the unique design versatility of the product. These are smaller in size and can be fitted in the back end of the car or in the front end of the car. Yes, Kanai-san, you would like to say something?
As Sanjay-san explained, this head unit can play the high-resolution music playback. But by the way, in the market, there are some variety playback format of the high-resolution music. But these are the Alpine high-res head unit is supporting this variety format, and also key format like a DSD also can play. But the high-res music file, customer can download from some music track site like a HD track and record something, and also can play from USB and the DAP. Also, these units have the digital output like optical out and coaxial out. So customer can transfer as digital data itself to DSP and amplifier. High-end customer car cannot change the display, so need to but customer needs is like a high-quality sound. But this unit will be satisfied with these needs of the customer. Hi, this is a high-res head unit point.
Thank you. So we are now happy to present to you the new range of DSPs which we have launched in the market. These are high-end digital sound processors. Our customers who are on the line, they must be aware that there are some other brands material also available in the market, but Alpine has launched a very, very premium DSPs which have inbuilt amplifiers. So these amplifiers can be tuned to your head units through a Bluetooth connectivity, or it can be connected and tuned through the PC. So these are smartphone digital. This direct connection is possible through these DSPs. So this will basically end up in giving a very, very high sound quality experience. So we offer not the product, but the sound experience to our customers through this range of DSPs. Nisan, you would like to say?
Okay. Also, this DSP, also we are choosing the very special parts for the DSP. But this parts is developed for the Alpine DSP. But this is one of the difference from the a competitor DSP. Also, like a final sound tuning, also done by the Alpine Japan headquarter master tuning. So we are creating the very good sound with this special parts and also special sound tuning. Hi.
Okay, so the next range of products is speakers. Now, Indian customer is very passionate about the usage of speakers in their cars. And we have launched complete range of speakers, Alpine's premium speakers. And along with these speakers, we have also launched amplifiers. So these are in S series, R series, and X series. So these are available in different price positionings. You can see here that from S series, R series, X series, we've got components, we've got coaxial speakers, amplifiers, 4-channel, 5-channel, mono amp, all options are available for our customers in the market. Next, please. Okay, gentlemen, now the time has come to, it's a big moment. We are going to now launch the most premium product of Alpine globally. So this is called Alpine F1 status. So, Kanai-san, would you like to launch it?
Okay, so today the Alpine and Lumax will announce Alpine F1 status. But this announcement is just currently just teaser. But so detail will be announced in the later. But I will explain the outline of the F1. Okay, the first result, please see the Alpine F1 status video. Okay, so this time Alpine and Lumax will launch a new Alpine F1 status in India also. But this is the third generation of the Alpine F1 status. Alpine is a unique and also only one brand which have the all system lineup of the car audio. F1 is the flagship of the car audio system. Next, please. And the third generation Alpine F1 status point is a full spec high resolution music. This is a world first brand for the car audio, high-res head unit. Actually, Alpine has a high-res head unit like M08 and A09. But this F1 status is a totally full spec high resolution. Customer can do the playback. Next, please. And this is a total system. This system is a display digital audio player and head unit, also sound processor and amplifier and four-way speaker. Next, please. The Alpine F1 status is made for the best sound for the vehicle. But this is a Alpine F1 status. Hi, next, please. Okay.
So this Alpine F1 status products are going to be available in India by end of this year, by December 21. And this is basically targeting at the connoisseurs of the sound. These products are launched in US and Thailand 2 months back. And very soon it will be available in India for our customers. So may I request Amit to take forward?
Yeah, with regard to the distribution and marketing in India for Alpine products, I would like to share that we have already appointed around 35 distributors across the various states of India. So we are covering the entire India now. And also we are appointing premium dealers. It will be currently now 20 dealers will be there. Through these premium dealers, we will be focusing on selling the high-end products which we have recently launched, like the X series, the DSPs, the high-rise head units, and even the F1 status will be available only through the premium dealers. In totality, there will be around 250 retail regular dealers who will be selling Alpine in India across various cities. We will be covering majorly the metros, mini metros, and the A-class cities in the first phase. Here we would like to share with you the feedback and the experience of the premium acoustic experts. So Mr. Rani is our very premium acoustic expert from Mumbai. I would like to get his thoughts.
Hello, this is Rami from Team Sound Factor, Mumbai, India. We are into custom installations, and we do a lot of DSP installations, and we are actually very much famous for doing active setups in Mumbai. We've been approached by the Alpine team. We went through the catalog, we ordered a few stuff. I can assure you that the new product lineup is really good. We are looking out to work together for some really big projects. We have been through the new interface of the software. It looks pretty simple, pretty easy to explain it to our customers, and we can give them the desired output. So it's pretty good. We've even installed the amplifiers and subwoofers, and even we have worked with basically the higher lines. Earlier we have done the F1 status, so that's something which is like the out of the box, like a Rolls Royce of the speakers. So been looking out for working very well with Alpine in the near future. All right, thanks a lot, and keep up the good work. See ya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ramji. Thank you.
Similarly, Mr. Karthik from Chennai.
Hello, this is Rami from Team Sound
Hi,
Factor.
good evening everyone. I would like to introduce myself as Karthik from Speed Freaks, Chennai. Speed Freaks is an install house that focuses on professional car audio installation, soundproofing, OEM integration and retrofitments, bespoke leather, and many more car audio aftermarket upgrades. We know Alpine as a big daddy of brands when it comes to quality car audio and electronics. I have always been a fan of some of Alpine's high-end reference line of products, and I've also used them in a couple of my competition installs. It is good to see Alpine getting serious about Indian car audio market, and when the Alpine officials visited here, I have discussed with them the insights and my ideas about getting better in the Indian car audio market, and I would be delighted to work with Alpine in upping the game. Cheers.
Thank you, Karthik. Thank you.
Hi, good evening.
So, in order to improve our communication and marketing in India, we are happy to announce that we are ready with Alpine India Facebook and Instagram page. And also today we are going to unveil the website for Alpine India. Through this website, the consumers can go through the various new product range which has been recently launched here only, and also they can also go through the dealers where the products will be available. So it will be easy for them to assess and reach the Alpine products. With regard to our growth plans, Alpine has traditionally all across the world has been a premium leader in the premium segment. In Australia, they have a 40% market share. Similarly, in US, they are commanding 25% market share. And in India also, we plan to target around 30% of the premium range market share in the next 4 years' time. We have Alpine has also launched its global brand statement, which is turn up the volume and let's go onwards. So I would like to just introduce the new statement to you, which is emotion in mobility.
No matter what world we live in, great sound inspires us. Moves our body, takes us outdoors, gathers people. The most exciting spaces are the best sounding ones, attracting passionate people. Who knows what tomorrow may bring? We keep moving forward anyway. When in doubt, trust your instincts. Turn up the volume. Let's go, Soundwards.
That was indeed. Turn up the volume and let's go soundwards. The floor is now open for questions. And whoever wants to ask a question, may please raise their digital hand and we will sequence everybody one after the other. The floor is now open for Q&A. May I request? Yes, Aditya, please proceed to ask your question.
Aditya, you will need to unmute yourself.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm sorry, there was a technical difficulty. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm Aditya from AutoX magazine. My question is, what is the warranty schedule like on this F1 status?
Warranty schedule.
This is funny. I need speakers. I don't use
So basically, Aditya, I think you asked about the F1 thing. We have a complete range of product as we explained. So there is a warranty of 1 year for the products which we have already launched. And regarding F1, in any case, today was a launch plan. The moment we introduce this product, we will come out with the warranty terms. Also, we'll share it with you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, Priyanka. Can I ask a question?
Of course, please
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay. Hi, everyone. This is Nilesh Wadhwa here from Autocar Professional. I wanted to check, during one of the slides you mentioned that you've got around 20 wholesalers and 30 retailers. Can you repeat the exact number? And also, would you look at expanding this dealership network to reach out to states where you currently do not have a presence, especially in the northeastern market? Because I assume from the presentation that the presence, there's huge scope for expansion as well.
Yes, you're right. So as we said that we have just introduced this product in the market. So our strategy is very clear that we would be dealing with the main car accessory distributors all over the country. So in the last 6 months, we have already tied up with 32 distributors who are selling our products. And apart from that, we are also trying to engage ourselves directly with the premium counters. So in India, the top 20 counters, premium counters, we would be supplying to them directly, unlike other companies in this market. So most of the other competitors, they're only dealing with the distributors.
Correct.
But since we've got premium products with us, so we would be engaging with these premium dealerships so that we can have good understanding of the network. Apart from that, of course, we are going to expand our distributor network all over the country, including the Northeast, as you're rightly saying. At the moment, South India is one of our major market, and of course, we sell good volumes in North India also. But moving ahead, yes, we have a very concrete plans to expand our network in Northeast also.
And so and in terms of products, this is the first range of products that you're looking to bring to India. So in the next 4 years, when you mentioned that your target is to capture 30% market share. So how many more products can we expect, and what kind of investments are you looking to make towards that as well?
Kanai sir, would you like to reply?
Okay, so actually now Alpine and Lumax is doing the marketing in India. So my first step is we will launch like a current our global lineup to India, and the second step is actually now we are doing the marketing, and now we are considering the new product for which matching to the India. So in the second step, maybe next year and the next year, we will launch a new product for the India. But this is our plan.
Okay, and also would you look at manufacturing in India to use India as a manufacturing base, given the strength of Lumax, your partner in India? Do you see that as a possibility as well?
But actually, this is depend on the product. But firstly, we need to consider what kind of product is matching to the India, and if the product it's better to produce in the India, maybe definitely we will cooperate with Lumax.
Okay.
So firstly, we need to consider what kind of product we need to launch in India. But this is the first priority.
Okay, so if I understand it correctly, please correct me if I'm wrong. After your market feasibility, say 1 or 2 years down the line, there is a possibility that you might look at manufacturing in India for the local market as well.
That's right. That's right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to ask any questions, please?
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me, Priyanka?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Yeah, hi, Jatinder this side from CN Leader magazine. I have a question that we are now looking forward to a connected ecosystem where most of the car manufacturers as well as companies are gearing toward that kind of era. So in terms of innovations and new age technologies, what do you expect in future, and how do you see the entire ecosystem being developed with respect to things like IoT, AI, and getting more and more connected?
So I will take this on. This is a very good question, and you are right. The trends are moving towards connected cars, communication between cars, communication with the cloud, and this is fast changing. So they are all part of ADAS systems in some way, because ADAS is a very big name, and there are these are all part of ADAS, which is autonomous drive assisted systems. We are working on it to support this change in technology. As you are aware, Alpine in their presentation had shown about cloud services, about ADAS, and Lumax also has the telematic division, which is a joint venture with Ituran, as you must be aware. Plus, we are also into electronics and sensor products, which will lead us to basically cater to this changing demands in the market. So we are very much aware, and this market is changing fast. And we, together with Alpine, are prepared to launch innovative products to support this change in market. Thank you.
May I request if there's anybody else who would like to ask a question?
Priyanka, if there's no one else, I just would like to ask on the investment front, if that's possible. What is the kind of investments you guys will be looking at making for India, because there's no mention of that. And I'm so sorry. And also adjoining to that, when you said 30% of the premium market share, so what is the current size of the aftermarket? If you can help me understand in terms of numbers.
So current aftermarket for premium is around $80 million, which works out to around 600 crores, just to let you know. This is our estimate. And we have targeting 30% of that. That is our target. And I also would like to say that, last 2 years of COVID has in India have made people quite smartphone savvy and digitally oriented, because even kids, youngsters, elders, everybody has used smartphones, and music they've got now, more used to digital media. And therefore we see this trend, and hence the strategy to get onto deeper into Indian market and achieve the 30% market share.
Thank you. And the first question was on the investment front.
So investment, we will not be able to divulge now. A lot of it is under feasibility. So because we are working on localization plan, we are working on the marketing investments, but at this moment we are able to, not able to speak about the number, but we will come back to you as soon as we have a decided strategy on that.
Thank you. Thank you.
If we don't have any further questions.
Priyanka, we do have Murli asking a question.
Okay, I didn't see that. I'm sorry. Murli, please go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon. I would like to know if Alpine would look at sourcing opportunities from India, given the strengths of Lumax in the country.
So I will again answer Murli's on this. See, our engagement with Alpine in today's objective is basically infotainment system for Indian market. But there is a broader umbrella where Lumax has partnered with Alps Alpine Group as a joint venture. And there in future, if everything going fine, there could be these possibilities. But these are still remote. These are under discussion. And I think as we connect with all of you in future, we will let you know how the progress is moving in this direction.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I see that there are no more questions. We would like to close the conference in case there aren't any more questions now. Thank you all for joining us and for your participation. The press kits will already have been mailed to all of you, so you'll receive it in your mailboxes. Stay safe till we meet again. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.